Assalamualaikum friends. Here is office, our home, logo mockup, our sign mockup. These are PSD file and total is 12. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. Simply open in Photoshop C plus version or CS6 plus version and write Sheri. Write anything. For example, double click. Oh, okay. Just click on here. Here is effect. Here is a background. Double click here. Now write anything. For example, delete this and write Sheri SK. Control S for saving. Updating smart object, please wait. Wow, you see here my name is here or my channel name is here. Okay, no, same thing is here, same here, same here, same here. For example, adjustment, okay, 3D effect. Here is background. You can write text or you can apply your logo. Sorry, you can delete it and I write a name Sheri SK. Control S for saving. You see my name is here. You can write anything or you can apply logo. Here the adjustment effects and our design is here. Double click. Select or delete it. Okay, delete and delete this one. Okay, no, or write anything. I know you can do easily and press Ctrl S for saving. No, and our text is here. I hope these files are useful for you. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. Take care, Allah.